Welcome to part 2 of this MachineBuilder design guide on generating panels. There are 6 basic properties to consider when generating a panel in MachineBuilder. The first is the material. Using the drop-down menu, you can select which material type you would like to use. It's broken down into 2 categories: plastics and composites, and sheet metals. If any of the options are grayed out, it means the panel you are looking to generate exceeds the size limitations for that material type. The second field will either appear as color or finish depending on the material selected. Select from the available options in the drop-down menu. If grayed out, it means that there is only one option available for that material type. The third field is thickness. Options vary by material, but they can be changed using the drop-down menu. Depending on your selection, this field can impact other properties such as position, panel strips, and mounting holes. The position field will determine where the panel will be generated on the selected extrusions. Outside, we'll have the panel rest on top of the extrusions, and inside, we'll have the panel fit within the extrusion channels. Panel strips can be toggled for panels being generated inside the extrusion channel for thicknesses of 6.35 or 5.59 millimeters. The strips fill excess space in the extrusion channel, reducing panel movement. This field will be grayed out if you are generating a panel outside the extrusion. The final property, exclusive to panels being generated outside extrusion profiles, are the auto-generated mounting holes. This property will automatically generate mounting holes to fasten the panel to your Vention assembly. Using the drop-down menu, select from the 3 available options. Countersink holes allow you to have recessed fasteners, but require a panel thickness of 5.59 millimeters or greater. A through hole will use standard M8 fasteners to secure the panel, which will protrude above the panel surface. And the final option will prevent the auto-generation of mounting holes. Once you are finished with basic properties, select Apply to generate the panel. An additional feature of the panel generator is that it will automatically create cutouts around the majority of Vention components.